Hi everyone, it's Cheyenne here, and I am going to show you how to re-register your club or organization on Engage. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Engage homepage for your organization. And in the top right, you'll see where it says Manage Organization, and you'll press that button and it'll bring you here. And if that function isn't available to you, or you don't see this when you press Manage Organization, the re-register this organization button, there are a couple reasons that could be. Depending on when the club was created, it could be a new club and it doesn't qualify for re-registration because it was just made, or the position that you have in the organization doesn't allow you to re-register it. So you're just going to want to make sure if that's an issue, reach out to your program advisor or myself, and we can help walk you through that. So once you do that, you're going to press re-register this organization. And here are all of the instructions to read through. Just kind of make sure you go through that. One of the important things that's new to club re-registration this semester is there's a short questionnaire to fill out. It's about 3 or 4 questions, and it's just to try help your program advisor better understand where your club is at, where they're struggling, what they want to accomplish, and things to focus on moving forward. So it helps guide that conversation that you'll have with your program advisor. So once you read through the instructions, you can update maybe your acronym, if your name has updated, if anything in your organization description updated, or if you want to update any social media that you have. And if you want to change how a student can get involved, you can do that, and make sure you're updating your faculty advisor. Once you do that, you're going to go through your roster and add different positions to it. You can add multiple members in bulk if you have a lot of people you want to add to it. But if not, that's okay too. Or if you want to edit positions based off of who's already on their roster. And just make sure that when you're doing that, you're also adding your faculty advisor to your roster. So this organization doesn't seem to have their faculty advisor, so you just want to make sure that you add them in the email up above. And then once you have all those positions filled, then you can move forward. If you have a new profile picture, you can update it here as well. And this is just an anti-hazing form that I'm going to fill out. Make sure you read it in full so that you understand what the expectations are. And then this is the small questionnaire that I was talking about. So if you have a faculty advisor, I'm just going to put in the list. And then you have a registration checklist. So if you updated your eBoard members, cleared your roster, former students, submitted an SGA budget request, and click this if you've already met or connected with your student organization advisor, whether that was phone, email, Zoom, whatever method of communication works best for you. And that's really it for re-registering your club.